Introducing the Xiaomi MIJIA Air Conditioner Natural Wind 2 horsepower, the latest innovation from Xiaomi in China. This compact yet powerful air conditioner boasts level 1 energy efficiency, perfect for domestic settings. Despite its small size, it matches the performance of a 2 horsepower cabinet unit. Designed with a classic sun-patterned appearance, it's constructed from durable, weather-resistant materials, ensuring longevity and color retention. The temperature can be finely adjusted, thanks to its dual temperature and humidity control technology. Plus, it can be paired with a humidifier for optimal performance. Featuring an upgraded wind deflector structure, it offers various blowing options including surround wind, canopy wind, and carpet wind. The fine pores break down strong wind, providing a gentle and healthier blowing experience. With an impressive APF of up to 4.69, it can save up to 70 kilowatt-hours of electricity annually. Equipped with variable frequency drive control technology, it adapts to various cooling scenarios, promising comfort throughout the year. Moreover, its defrost performance is exceptional, incorporating both normal and anti-quench defrost adaptive control algorithms. Now available for pre-sale at 3,399 yuan, $473, a deposit of 100 yuan, $14, further reduces the price to 2,899 yuan, $404. Don't miss out on the opportunity to experience efficient and reliable cooling with the Xiaomi MIJIA Air Conditioner Natural Wind 2 horsepower.